Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show here about help you how you actually start to stretch ticket on Figma. So what you're gonna do is about for this video about to start to go to with that in a certain stretching with the text. So the way we actually do is about to start to go and add text first, like this. And then I go start to make some kind of scaling, so I make sure when I scale it to a high font it's gonna work. And actually we can see right now that once we want to scale I can start to zoom in. I make sure that gonna actually to have this. Now I would like to start to stretch, so start to stretch only when you click on here and click on the start stretch purchase, and the stretch purchase has been created. You can actually start to go for the stretch brush, and okay, we can actually use a stretch plugin that can be really like that. And that is all about to help you